We may just see an IPO from the Tata Group later this year, and that is because the board of Tata Capital, which is the flagship financial services arm of the Tata Group, has approved plans for an initial public offering. Now, this IPO will comprise of a combination of fresh issue of 23 crore equity shares as well as an offer for sale by existing shareholders. The board has also approved issuing shares worth about 1,504 crore rupees on a rights basis to existing shareholders. Now, while Tata Capital did not indicate any timeline for this IPO, it did say that the IPO is going to be subject to market conditions, receipt of various approvals and regulatory clearances. Now, incidentally, this will be the second IPO from the Tata Group within the span of 2 years after what we saw was a bumper listing of Tata Technologies back in 2023 after a long gap from the Tata Group. The move is also in line with RBI's mandatory requirement for all upper layer NBFCs, which is essentially very large NBFCs, to get listed within 3 years of being notified as upper layer NBFCs, which for Tata Capital is September of this year. Now, as of FY24 end, Tata Capital, if you look at the financials, had assets under management of about 1,57,761 crores. It had profits after tax of about 3,150 crores. More than 85% of Tata Capital's portfolio is retail and SME lending. It serves more than 4.5 million customers across 723 locations with 92% of its branches in non-metro cities. Now, since we're talking about the IPO and the offer for sale by existing shareholders, if you look at the shareholding pattern of Tata Capital currently, the promoter Tata Sons holds nearly 93% stake as of the end of March 2024. Another 2.15% was held by Tata Investment Corporation and the rest by other Tata Group entities, individuals and International Finance Corporation. So yes, we may see Tata Capital get listed by September this year in order to comply with RBI's directions, but it is still unclear whether Tata Sons will have to follow suit. And that is because Tata Sons' application for deregistration as a large upper layer NBFC is still pending a review by the RBI. If the RBI grants approval to their application to deregister, Tata Sons can remain private. But if RBI rejects that application, the Tata Group may have to navigate a much larger, a much more complex listing process.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.